Serb protesters in North Kosovo blocked the main roads for a second day on Sunday following a nighttime exchange of fire with the police after the arrest of a former Serb policeman amid rising tensions between authorities and Kosovo's Serb minority. Amid the rising tensions, Kosovo Prime Minister urged NATO peacekeeping troops to intervene. At a news conference in Kosovo's capital Pristina on Sunday, Prime Minister Albin Kurti asked the Kosovo Force KFOR, a NATO-led international peacekeeping force, to guarantee freedom of movement as he accused criminal gangs of blocking roads. Serb nationalists held marches in Belgrade demanding the invasion of Kosovo. They chanted anti-Kosovo and pro-Russian slogans. The Serbs in Kosovo who believe Kosovo to be a part of Serbia have responded with violent resistance to moves by Pristina that they consider anti-Serb. Serbia does not recognize Kosovo's independence. A fragile peace has been preserved in Kosovo since it declared independence from Serbia in 2008 following the 1998-99 war in which NATO intervened to protect Kosovo's Albanian majority. On Saturday, Serb protesters blocked the main roads after the arrest of a former Serb policeman. He was a part of the mass resignation of Serbs from the force last month after Pristina said that it would require Serbs to scrap Serbian license plates dating to before the 1998-99 Kosovo war that led to independence. The ex-police officer is also accused of committing terrorist acts and attacking the constitutional order, according to Kosovo authorities, who accuse him of organizing attacks on the country's election commission and police. For a second day on Sunday, trucks and other heavy-duty vehicles blocked several main roads leading to two border crossings with Serbia. Both crossings were closed to traffic. Meanwhile, a stun grenade was thrown at a car belonging to EULEX, the European Union mission in Kosovo, but no injuries were reported. Kosovo police later came under small arms fire in several locations and fired back in self-defense, the force said in a news release. Serbian President Alexander Vučić said on Sunday that Serbia demanded the release of all arrested Serbs from northern Kosovo but also seeks to diffuse tensions in the region. Vučić accused authorities in Pristina and Kosovo's Prime Minister Kurti of stoking tensions by making countless unilateral moves. NATO, which has peacekeeping troops in Kosovo, called on all parties to avoid provocations. The EU has done likewise, warning that it will not tolerate attacks on EU police or criminal acts. On Monday, EU Foreign Policy Chief Josep Borrell repeated his calls for de-escalation from both Kosovo and Serbia. They have to find a way to end the tendency to fighting in the streets, to creating blockades, he said.